Hi, are you writing Jamb 2025 exam? This class is for you. We are going to give you the Jamb syllabus, the expected areas of concentration you need to read or study ahead in preparation for your Jamb or UTME exam. Now, listen to me. There is a difference between studying hard and studying smart. When you study hard, you are trying to study every aspect of the textbook. That's okay, that's great. But studying smart is that you find the area where the questions will come from, a sort or a kind of the syllabus, the scheme that Jamb expects you to cover before the exam. Now, we're going to give you a run through of the areas or the topics that Jamb need you to cover before the Jamb exam. Now, please, in these areas that we're giving to you, it doesn't mean that all of them questions will come out from them. We're going to point out to you areas where you concentrate more, even in those topics we'll be listing down for you. Without much further ado, let's give you the first thing that Jamb expects you to know about is matter. So you should know about matter. You should know about separation techniques. You should know about separation techniques. You should know about atomic structure. You should know about chemical bonding. Some textbooks will have atomic structure and chemical combination. Chemical bonding, chemical combination is still the same thing. You should know about the kinetic theory of matter and gas laws. Okay? You should know about the periodic table. Periodic table. Take note of that. You should know about the stoichiometry. This is mostly calculations in chemistry. You should know about redox reaction. When I mean redox reaction, I mean oxidation and reduction. Anyway, all these topics will be treated for you in our playlist, chemistry playlist for the Jamb 2025. So we'll be treating this topic one after the other. Meanwhile, in this video, you'll know where to study and how to study, and we'll point to you areas where questions are repeated every year. So you know about redox reaction, you know about electrolysis. Okay? After that, you know about nuclear chemistry. Okay? You know about solubility. You know about acid, base, and salt. You know about what we call energetics. Energetics. You know about chemical kinetics. You know about chemical equilibrium. Now, in most of your textbook, this thing that is called, or this topic that is called energetics might be having another name. They might call it chemical equilibrium. No, we have chemical equilibrium, we have chemical kinetics, energetics. The three of them, energetics, chemical equilibrium, chemical kinetics, and chemical equilibrium, in some textbook, they might be given just two names: rate of reaction and chemical equilibrium. You see that? Just rate of reaction and chemical equilibrium. Why we're dividing into three perspectives is that we're going to teach it in three perspectives. We're going to teach it under energetics, we'll teach it under chemical kinetics, we'll teach it under chemical equilibrium if you follow our playlist. Okay? Now, we're going to the next one. The next one, have we been talking about organic chemistry? No, the almighty organic chemistry. Now, Now, this organic chemistry is about 1/3 of your textbook, all right? And questions usually always come out from there. We have non-metals and its compound. We have metals and its compound. Then we have acid, base, and salt. Okay, we have written that. Environmental pollution. And then we have air. We have water. Okay, we have water. Then we have industrial chemistry. Okay, now these are areas where the Jamb syllabus is going to cover for the 2025 Jamb examination. But meanwhile, every year, questions usually comes out from the organic chemistry. Let me close that in a bracket for you. Organic chemistry. Questions comes out usually in organic chemistry. You should know that. Now, questions usually come out in this guy, chemical structure and then chemical equilibrium. Question, because that is the first aspect of chemistry. Those separation introduction to chemistry, we have the matter, we have separation techniques, and all those stuffs there. Now, questions usually comes out from this atomic structure and chemical bonding. Your understanding of atomic structure and chemical combination or bonding is very, very important. And then we're talking about matter. Questions usually come out from there. Then the stoichiometry questions, and also redox reaction, the ones I'm marking with the red pen, you will find that question reoccurring in the chemistry Jamb exam. Now, if you pick up your Jamb past question, all right, depend on the type of past question you're using, you will notice that if you pick up the compile past question, you notice that some topics are frequently repeated, all right? If it is the case of organic chemistry, before now, it is predictable that organic chemistry is usually 10 questions, all right? Before the CBT, introduction of the CBT exam, that was when we were using pencil and paper, organic chemistry is usually 10 questions. It is predictable. But now, the chemistry question that you'll be solving is just 40. So you're having to solve 40 questions. And in all these things I've listed, they are going to bring 40 questions, which means that each of these topics might be picking 2, 3, or sometimes they might even pick more from a topic, more than the other topic. Do you get what I'm saying now? So what you need to do, grasp all these topics we have listed for you, and then the one I'm using a red pen to highlight, make sure you understand it very well. Then questions usually come out also from the periodic table, okay, from electrolysis and nuclear chemistry, and then take note of this guy, energetics and chemical equilibrium. All right, take note of also solubility and acid, base, and salt. Now, in the case of kinetic theory of gas, kinetic theory of matter, take note of the gas laws. You see, all those calculations of the gas law, Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro law, Gay-Lussac's law, take note of those questions, those problems, Graham's law of diffusion, take note of those laws. Questions usually comes out from there. Now, if you have any question, you can drop it in our comment section. But this is the Jamb syllabus for the 2025. So this is 2025 Jamb syllabus for chemistry. But if you have any question on this, or you want the topic here, okay, maybe you understand, you know the first topic, you know the second topic, and you want us to treat any of this topic and drop for you, maybe it's not in our playlist, you just drop the message in our comment section. In no distant time, we'll attend to you. But meanwhile, in the playlist, in our Chemistry Jamb 2025 playlist, we'll have all this topic in it. In our subsequent videos, we'll be taking one after the other in the, of the topics that we have on the board. Now, this is all the topics we have for you in the Jamb syllabus, and we wish you a successful exam as you study ahead for your exam. Now, meanwhile, we want to also advise you to study smart and not study hard. You know, studying hard, you want to study this, study smart. It's not time to study hard now. And Jamb is not testing your regurgitative ability alone, but they are testing your ability to understand the concept, and they are also testing your accuracy and speed, because you have limited time, maybe 1 minute for one question, or less than 1 minute for one question. It's just 40 questions. So you see, they are testing your, not just your regurgitative ability, but your understanding of the concept, your ability to find accuracy of that concept, and also the speed that is needed. So it's speed and accuracy, understanding of concept, that is also what they are testing. So this is all we've got for you in this video. Whoa, if you want to see all these topics where we have taught it, I think we have taught some of the topics here. You can check our playlist. You are going to find those topics there. And then if you have any question, drop it in our comment section. We will be glad to reply in any time. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for this time you gave to me. We'll see you in our next class.